XML file.
So,
Yes.
So what you have to do to get this file, file, new. In this you can find this one, XML schema.
schema sir?
Yeah, schema. Okay. There are two versions of schema, 1.0 and 1.1. So you have to select 1.0 in this. Click on File, New, XML schema. Then the version of that.
Maybe because ours is not updated.
Normal.
For me it is coming like this at the top. Okay? Got it? Good. Now start writing this one. You have to start writing from here. You have to start writing from here. You will get one tag that is S schema. Press enter. In between you have to start writing from here.
From where sir? Bukan lihat sang dengan mampu. Mungkin itu. Sir, I have a good idea, sir. Well, we just use student file.
I have one more idea.
I know you're not there.
You are a student, so why you don't write this?
Okay. We don't go for this. Boleh guys, ya nanti aku sedikit sorry. Pelan.
Shit.
Choose to I
with name SCH.
Yes.
SCH. And
Accepted today, sir. How much we will fetch?
now, do you have any idea, Lawrence?
Schema we eat, sir. We eat.
It's like a combination
This
of
is schema. Vanessa, Shah, Yasmin, Huda, anyone?
it's like combination of the
Com-
DTD and
Combination of the
DTD and
Okay.
namespace.
namespace. Okay,
Like
namespace
this.
is also there. DTD is also there. You can say it's a combination.
You did mention from before,
See,
sir.
schema will let you define the type of your element. Schema will let you define the type of your element. Now let me show you something from this. Now we have written schema, this one, okay? Now these all elements we are using into XML. Now first element is ship order, okay? So we started our XML with this element only, ship order. Okay? Now in ship order, I have an attribute called order ID. So, can you see your order ID in this? Can you see order ID? Anyone?
No.
Attribute what?
No. Only
Okay, next one. Let me show you next one. We have order person. Do we have order person?
Yes.
Order person. What is the type of this? String. We can write string only.
Why so?
String means you can write character name and all these things. Now, in another, we have ship to. Do we have ship to? Yes, we have. If I will change the name of ship to, if I will write only ship, it will not accept. Because ship is not available into schema. In schema we have ship to, so we need to write ship to only. Okay? Now, there is one more thing, price. In price, I have given 10.90. Why 0.90? Because in schema I have mentioned price as a decimal. Quantity in positive number. I cannot write any negative number like this. So it will give me error if I will write negative number. So every time I need to write positive. If I will not write decimal here, it will be okay because it is number only. It is number only. So in decimal, if there is a decimal, you can place a decimal number. Okay? Here it will accept any decimal? No, because this is a positive number only. See, in decimal you can write number, but in number you cannot write decimal. Is it clear? So we have to write only positive number in this. If I will make it this one decimal as a positive only, I will copy this one. So this is a positive. Now here, if I will save this one again, at price at. So if I will make it positive only, it will be okay. So our XML is based on this schema only. Now in organizations, in companies, they define only schema. They define only schema. You know, we can practice online HTML. There is no need to install anything. We can practice online. If I will say W3 school, we have a website. Now this is a website. If I want to practice for HTML online, what I will do, learn HTML and which one I want to learn? Try this. Okay. So I can practice for this. What I want a table. Table tr 3d
Sekarang kali yang perlu dia
3d. If I will write my name Vishal, run. See. Okay. You want to see border? Border is equal to 1. So this is a online HTML. Now at the back end, who defined this one, I have already mentioned one schema. Which are the things I can mention? So we are having schema like that only. What is the type? What is the element? And what else is there you can mention. Now minimum occur 0. Minimum should be 0, not less than 0. There should not be -1. So we can mention all these things. Order ID. I told you to find order ID. You can find ship order. There is your order ID. And what is it? Required. If I will not mention order ID here, it is giving error. Okay, because in schema I have mentioned this is required. You cannot make it blank. Are you getting my point? Okay, so I need to write order ID here. Then it will work. Clear? Now I want you to study this schema again. Then I will give you one assignment, you have to complete that.
Next class.
Now, after break. Now you have 15 minutes to study this schema. What is X?